Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to use monday.com for task management in 2025, step by step. Whether you are a student, freelancer, or running a team, Monday can keep your tasks organized and stress-free. Let's dive in. Monday.com is a perfect project and task management tool that helps you plan, track, and complete work more efficiently. You can create boards, assign tasks, set deadlines, track progress, and even automate workflows all in one place. First of all, head over to monday.com and create a free account. After signing up, choose your goal, task tracking, project planning, or personal productivity. Create a workspace. This is your overall dashboard. Inside that, create a board. Think of it like a project or task lists. Task list. Name your board something like a my weekly something like my weekly tasks or client projects. Okay, your board is made up for of items or tasks and columns. Task details. Click the plus icon to add item to create a new task. Then click new task and name it like weekly task. Then click enter, double click on it. You can also add more columns like timing, tracking, files, drop downs, dependencies. This makes Monday great for both simple to-do lists and complex team projects. Monday lets you switch between views to visualize your task better, like table view, like a spreadsheet, Kanban view, drag and drop cards, timeline or Gantt, great for deadlines, calendar view, shows task by date. Choose the one that fits your style. I personally loved the Kanban for everyday task tracking. Working in a team, Monday makes collaboration super easy. You can invite teammates to your board, assign tasks to individuals, leave comments, attach files, and tag teammates. Tag notifications when a task is updated or completed. It's all real time, so everyone stays in sync without long email chains. Want to save time? Monday has powerful automations. Examples: change status to done, send an email when a task is overdue, notify assignee when a new item is added, set a due date automatically. You can also connect apps like Google Calendar, Slack, Zoom, Gmail, and Dropbox to centralize your workflow. For that, click on your task, then plus icon. Here you can see the text, large text, medium title. Also edit code from here like that. Add widget from here like files gallery, text column, connected boards, etc. Monday.com also has a powerful mobile app for iOS and Android, perfect for managing tasks on the go. Bonus tips: color code your boards for quick scanning, use filters to find tasks faster, duplicate recurring tasks each week. And that's how to use Monday.com for task management in 2025. Quick recap: set up your workspace and boards, create and customize tasks, use views and automation, collaborate with your team easily. If this video helped you, drop a like, hit subscribe, and comment below. What kind of projects do you manage with Monday? Thanks for watching. Stay productive, and I will see you in the next video.